Hello everyone, it's Dr. Mitch McKee at Berry Farms Animal Hospital. The topic of discussion for this video is what is integrative medicine and how it would be beneficial for your pet.
Dr. Mitch, what is integrative medicine and how can it be helpful to my dog?
So integrative medicine is really the combination of multiple modalities of treatment. That when you combine those modalities of treatment together, they give you a better effect than using an individual therapy alone.
What are the different types of integrative medicine?
So there's quite a few. Acupuncture, there's herbal medication, there's Tuana, which is therapeutic massage, there's food therapy, which is using different foods to get an effect that we're trying to accomplish. There's spinal manipulation, just similar to chiropractic in people. There is shockwave therapy, rehab therapy, loop therapy. There's some homeopathy type treatments, as well as ozone therapy.
How does integrative medicine impact the health and well-being of my dog?
Integrative medicine is very beneficial in helping to control illness or injury or pain. It allows you to oftentimes reduce the amounts of pain medication you may need. And it also gives you a different approach if you have that pet that's having a reaction to some of the standard medications we might use.
How old does my dog need to be to start integrative medicine?
Integrative medicine can be started at any age. There's really no age restrictions as far as that goes.
What are some medical conditions that would benefit the addition of integrative medicine?
Well, there's quite a few, but most commonly we're using integrative medicine for bone and joint disease, specifically arthritis. It's very good for dogs that have chronic back pain or chronic hip pain, dogs that have a slipped disc and are partially or completely paralyzed in their back limbs. Other things would include just muscle strains and sprains, as well as any ongoing chronic illness, specifically cancer type patients as well.
What is the benefit of a joint supplement for my dog?
Joint supplements are good for your dogs because depending upon which one you're on, they can do quite a bit in terms of slowing down the progression of arthritis, especially if you have those really athletic dogs. Our joint supplements can be beneficial in helping to protect those cartilages, to help keep those cartilages nourished and lubricated. But also one benefit is that they can help you at times decrease the amount of actual pain medication you may need.
When would a veterinarian recommend NSAIDs for my dog?
Yes, so NSAIDs or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs have been a mainstay for pain control for a long time. And if we detect that your pet is in a good bit of pain, especially if it's affecting our daily life, then we're likely to recommend doing an anti-inflammatory. But a lot of that depends upon other conditions. Now, does your pet have any underlying problems, kidney issues or liver problems? There may be some things that would prevent us from being able to use those, and maybe we'd have to pick a better approach. And again, that's where integrative medicine is very handy. It gives us more tools to use in terms of pain management.
Why is it important to avoid treating my dog with medications and supplements before consulting my veterinarian?
Yeah, so oftentimes I think we as people, we make mistakes out of good intention. We think we're doing the right thing. But when it comes to our biology of our dog patients, it's a little bit different than humans. It's easily, you could easily get the wrong dose or give the wrong medication. You could easily give too much and cause some issues that may be difficult for us to treat. So it's always important to consult your vet or your vet clinic before you give your dog any type of pain medication you have at home. If you have any questions about pain management and integrative medicine and how it can benefit your pet, in terms of chronic or acute illness, you can always give us a call.